Excel versus Power BI. Excel contains spreadsheets, pivot tables, even notations, cell formulas, and Power BI contains report view, custom visuals, interactive dashboards, and Power BI services. These are two separate features of two different softwares coming from the same company, Microsoft. But both of these softwares have common Power Query, data model, and DEX. They are built on top of the same analytical engines. Power BI takes the same data transformation and modeling capabilities and add powerful visualization and publishing tools. But that is very difficult in Excel. The transitioning is easy. You can import an entire data model directly from Excel. But see, Excel is simple. You can also create a little bit of visualization in Excel as well. But a more beautiful visualization could be created in Power BI, that too backed up with so many features which can help you enhance your report presentations.